Welcome back to Auto A Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest in automotive and cutting-edge machinery innovations. Today, we are diving into something truly revolutionary in the world of lawn care and outdoor maintenance. The Honda Prozision ZTR Mower Autonomous 2025 is not just another mower. It is a blend of Honda's legendary engineering, precision, and modern autonomous technology, setting a new benchmark for professional-grade and residential lawn care equipment. In this video, we will cover the full review, specifications, features, and why this mower is creating such a buzz among landscaping professionals and enthusiasts alike. Starting with the overall design, the Honda Prozision ZTR Autonomous 2025 offers a sleek, robust, and highly functional chassis that is built to last. It features a zero-turn radius design, making it incredibly agile and perfect for navigating tight corners, flower beds, and intricate lawn patterns. The body is constructed from high-grade, corrosion-resistant materials ensuring durability under all weather conditions. The mower is designed with ergonomics in mind. Even though it is autonomous, there is a manual override option allowing users to take full control whenever needed. The operator console is simplified with intuitive controls, and for those who prefer a hands-off experience, the mower seamlessly switches to its autonomous mode with the push of a button. One of the standout aspects of this mower is its autonomous navigation system. Honda has integrated advanced sensors and GPS guidance to ensure precision mowing. The mower can map the entire lawn, plan the most efficient cutting path, and avoid obstacles like trees, garden furniture, or pets. It uses collision detection and safety sensors to prevent accidents, making it ideal for both residential gardens and commercial landscapes. The system also allows for customizable mowing schedules. You can program it to mow at specific times, ensuring your lawn is always neat without daily intervention. For larger properties, the mower is capable of handling multiple zones, adjusting its path intelligently to ensure complete coverage. When it comes to cutting performance, the Honda Prozision ZTR 2025 is powered by a highly efficient and reliable engine designed to deliver consistent power while remaining environmentally friendly. The cutting deck is engineered to provide a flawless, even finish across various types of grass. The ZTR cutting system allows for tight turns without compromising the quality of the cut, making it perfect for intricate landscape designs. Adjustable cutting heights let you tailor the mowing to your preferred grass length, ranging from a low trim for a manicured look to a higher cut for natural or thick grasses. The mower is also equipped with mulching capabilities. Clippings are finely chopped and distributed back to the lawn, providing natural nutrients and reducing the need for fertilizers. Battery life and energy efficiency are key highlights in this 2025 model. Honda has incorporated a high-capacity battery system, ensuring longer operation times without frequent recharges. The battery management system monitors energy usage and optimizes performance, allowing the mower to cover large areas in a single session. The autonomous recharge feature ensures that when the battery runs low, the mower automatically returns to its docking station, charges, and resumes mowing exactly where it left off. This smart energy management reduces downtime and increases productivity, which is particularly useful for commercial landscapers handling multiple properties. Safety is paramount in the design of the Honda Prozision ZTR mower. The mower features multiple safety mechanisms including blade guards, lift sensors, and emergency stop systems. If any unusual resistance or obstacle is detected, the mower immediately stops or navigates away. For households with children and pets, the autonomous sensors ensure that the mower operates safely without posing any threat. Honda has also made maintenance simple. The mower includes easy access panels for blade replacement, battery checks, and cleaning. The materials used are durable, yet lightweight, ensuring that maintenance tasks do not become cumbersome. Connectivity and smart features are a key part of the Prozision ZTR 2025. The mower supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, allowing owners to control and monitor their mower via a dedicated mobile app. Through the app, you can start or stop mowing, set schedules, monitor battery levels, and even receive maintenance alerts. Integration with smart home systems is also supported, so you can coordinate your lawn mowing schedule with other smart devices in your home. The intuitive interface makes it easy for both beginners and professionals to use the full range of features without a steep learning curve. Performance-wise, the Honda Prozision ZTR 2025 excels on both flat and uneven terrains. Its suspension system and robust tires provide stability and traction, reducing the risk of uneven cuts or slipping. The zero-turn radius ensures that tight areas are easily navigated, and the cutting deck maintains consistent ground contact for a uniform finish. Many professional landscapers have praised its efficiency, noting that it significantly reduces labor time while improving the quality of the cut compared to traditional mowers. The mower also operates quietly compared to conventional models, making it suitable for residential areas where noise can be a concern. Another exciting feature of the 2025 model is its environmental friendliness. The engine is designed to reduce emissions, and the mower's efficiency lowers energy consumption compared to older models. This means you get a high-performance machine without compromising on sustainability. Honda's commitment to eco-friendly technology is evident in every aspect, from the battery system to the precision cutting mechanism that minimizes fuel or electricity waste. The Honda Prozision ZTR Mower Autonomous 2025 is also built with long-term reliability in mind. Components such as the cutting blades, engine, and sensors are manufactured to strict quality standards. Regular software updates are provided to enhance autonomous navigation and ensure compatibility with the latest technologies. Users report that the mower maintains excellent performance even after years of use, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners and professional landscapers alike. When comparing it to competitors, the Prozision ZTR stands out due to its perfect balance of autonomy, cutting precision, durability, and smart features. While many autonomous mowers are limited to small gardens, Honda's model can handle large properties with complex layouts effortlessly. Its combination of safety, efficiency, and smart connectivity makes it a leader in its class. Whether you are looking to maintain a residential lawn with minimal effort or manage multiple commercial landscapes, the Prozision ZTR 2025 adapts to your needs. In terms of pricing, while the initial investment may be higher than traditional mowers, the time saved, the reduced manual effort, and the superior finish justify the cost. Over time, the energy efficiency, reduced maintenance, and longevity of the mower make it cost-effective. Professionals often highlight the reduced labor costs and improved productivity, which can offset the initial price, making it an attractive option for commercial applications. Finally, let's talk about the user experience. Honda has clearly focused on making the mower easy to use and enjoyable. The interface is user-friendly, setup is straightforward, and switching between manual and autonomous modes is seamless. Users appreciate the reliability and predictability of the autonomous navigation system, which allows them to focus on other tasks while ensuring their lawn looks perfect every time. The mower's quiet operation also contributes to a stress-free experience, allowing mowing early in the morning or late in the evening without disturbing neighbors. In summary, the Honda Prozision ZTR Mower Autonomous 2025 is a game-changer in the world of lawn care. With its advanced autonomous features, precision cutting, robust design, smart connectivity, and eco-friendly operation, it is suitable for anyone serious about maintaining a high-quality lawn efficiently. From professional landscapers managing multiple properties to homeowners seeking convenience and quality, this mower offers unparalleled performance. The combination of Honda's engineering expertise and cutting-edge technology ensures that it is reliable, efficient, and ready for the future of automated lawn care. If you are looking for a mower that saves time, delivers exceptional results, and incorporates the latest technology, the Honda Prozision ZTR Autonomous 2025 is definitely worth considering. Its combination of power, precision, and intelligence sets it apart from the competition and makes it an investment that pays off in both convenience and quality. Thank you for watching this detailed review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to Auto A Cars for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest automotive and machinery innovations. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our newest uploads. Your subscription helps us bring more detailed reviews, comparisons, and tech insights right to your screen.